I am a sucker for a long statement cardigan, and I wanted a duster length, and you guys, we nailed it on this rib style. So it's a very, very lightweight, light sweater knit style in a wide rib with a lot of slub texture in it. So nice and lightweight, has the deep pockets on the side. It does have functional buttons all the way down so you can button it up. And then it has the side slits on the side just for easy movement. Love, love, love this one. Can we talk about this color though for a second? We call it Sunset. It's the perfect shade of like an orange, but a warm orange with slight light pink undertones in it, so it's not too orangey. I'm totally obsessed with it. I feel like it's perfect with a pair of jeans, throw it on with the brami, have a full complete outfit, even with just a pair of sneakers just like this. We also make it in an ivory white color. As far as fit, I would call it a slim, true to size fit. And when I say slim, it's because we really didn't make this too close on the body. We wanted it to drape and hang down from the sides of the body. So this is the size small on me. So I can stretch this and close it, but it does hug my hips and would hug my bust pretty tight. But the sleeve is not tight. So we made it to kind of just drift along the sides of the body. So that being said, if you're curvy or you do want to close it, you might want to size up in this. I would say between sizes, probably want to go up. I'm between an extra small and a small. This is the small on me and the size that I prefer. And it's just perfect. It's comfy, it's stretchy, it moves and flows with you, and the color just offers a great statement pop. You know when you have a top on that fits you absolutely perfectly, that you feel good in it, you feel like it highlights all of your good features, it hides all the features you want to hide. That is exactly it for me and for so many of our staff in this pleated sleeve top. This material is so high end. It's very nice. It's super, super stretchy. The details on the sleeve are really flattering, how it just pleats down from the shoulder and then balloons out, lanterns out just a little bit. Like I said, the material is really, really soft. Nice, great fit on this. The V-neck isn't too high, isn't too low, and then it's in this great kind of light, dusty mint color. We used this material last year in a purple top. I think the color was Mystic Purple. I think we called it like a twist front top. It had cutouts here at the chest, but I said then that my only mistake was that I didn't use this material in other tops, and I'm so glad we brought this material back because it's very elevated. It's not a t-shirt. It's thicker than a t-shirt, but it has the really, really great stretch, and it's actually a baby rib. You can't tell it's a rib from looking at it, but it's a micro rib, flat rib. So it's nice and smooth, has great stretch, very, very soft, super comfortable. As far as fit, I would call it a casual true to size. I would not call it fitted, which is why I love the extra small on me. I feel like it's just a little bit more slim fit. I still have plenty of room, still have great stretch in the material. Obviously, you don't have to worry about the sleeve size or width in this at all because it does have that lantern sleeve. So between sizes, I would size down. Like I said, the extra small fits me absolutely perfectly. Otherwise, I would stay true to size if you're not between, and I think you'll really, really love the fit on this. Back in like 2017, 2018, we did this slouchy V-neck Pointelle dolman type sweater in a Pointelle pattern, not the same one, but we decided to bring it back in terms of the style, and I'm so glad we did because I just love the fit of these types of sweaters that are kind of loose and relaxed at the top, and you can pull them off your shoulder if you want to pull them off the shoulder, and they just kind of have this lightweight knit that's not too warm. It's breathable because it's got that Pointelle work. We made this one in 2 colors, so mine's the super neutral, just like a dark charcoal color. And then we call this one jade green, really pretty jewel tone green. And here you really can see the Pointelle pattern showing off. You'd see that a lot better on my gray one if I had a light, like a white top underneath it. It is Pointelle, it is open knit. It does have that where you can see what's underneath it, so you'll want a layer underneath it. Whether you do like just a V-neck long sleeve under it, if you want to send that color all the way through, or just do a tank top like I have on just to like cover my body in it. The lighter you go, the more color the more the Pointelle will show. The darker you go, like having the gray, I've got the gray tank on, you don't see the pointelle as much. As far as fit, the fit is true to size, but it's going to feel slouchy because of that dolman sleeve on it and really just having that room through the bust. I would call it true to size with a slouchy intended fit. I, though, however, between sizes, like to size up in this. So I'm between an extra small and small in our brand. I'm a small normally out in the world, and I do like the small in this one. I can wear the extra small. It still has a slouchy vibe on me, but gets a little bit slimmer through my hip than I prefer, and I really like I love wearing this with just a front tuck and having kind of this extra amount of slouch on me. So between sizes, I choose to size up, though I can wear the size down. Otherwise, I'd call it like a slouchy true to size. What makes a legging perfect fit? It's the combination of a bunch of different things that make these literally the best, nicest leggings on the planet. So not in the athletic athleisure world. We're talking about the nice pair of compression leggings that you want to feel good in when you have a tunic or a dress or something that you want like a legging underneath when you want to be like on a date night or at work and feel put together, all snatched in at the waist and in a nice matte jet black. These are it. Okay, so they're a nice thick material. They're a compression fit. They have the high rise waistband panel right here. So just sitting above my belly button, and this whole panel goes around my love handles in the back and this tummy like pooch area right here that really sucks this in and gives this nice shaping. They have a super classy look to them. They're like a matte jet black. They have the seam right here, front and back, because nobody wants to see either of those without a seam. Super comfortable with a nice kind of tension suck in quality that make you feel nice and shaped in them. So we made these in the past. We made them ultra high rise, which literally that panel came up underneath my bust. This one sits just right at my belly button, covering that, or nice like sucking in that area we all want sucked in. Let me introduce you to the softest, drapiest, most comfortable wide leg denim on the planet. You guys, this material, we have worked so hard to get this nice, soft and slouchy type of leg in these that make them so dang comfortable. Ignore the spot right here. I just dripped my water when I was taking a drink, but they're that loose kind of comfortable fit. You can call them a dad jean if you want, but there's nothing like feeling like you're in a comfortable pair of sweatpants, but be in true denim. True denim jean, they just have a lot of lyocell in them, which make them this nice, super soft, feel very washed, nice and drapey fit. Okay, I switched to the non-distress because that water drip was driving me crazy. The jeans that are in style right now are the dad jean trend, which in the trend, they typically really drape from the hip and are then a low, like saggy, really saggy baggy in the rise. We did ours a little bit different. We made ours drape and hang from a good mid to mid high rise. So these hit just right underneath my belly button. So they are fitted at the waist. They're relaxed through the hip and the leg, and that's where they're supposed to sit. If you want the dad jean to hang from your hips, we suggest sizing up a full size in these. As far as fit, we're going to call them true to size for the intended styling of being really, really loose and drapey. So these are my typical size 4. I'm normally a size 4 in denim. I can occasionally be a size 2, especially if they have stretch. These have a little bit of stretch, not a ton of stretch. They're really just soft and drapey and relaxed intentionally in their fit. They do have the fit at the waist so that they stay up from the waist and don't slouch down too far. So I am staying in my normal size 4. This is the size that I prefer in these. I feel like they have the great drapey hip and leg, which is what I'm wanting. And the 4 keeps them up just perfectly. They were snug in the waist when I first put them on, but they do relax slightly with wear. In fact, they relax perfectly in the waist for me in my normal size 4. I am just obsessed with the drapey casual leg. So I've got them on with our slouchy sweater, but honestly wore these to the office today with just a big giant like oversized sweatshirt. I love that right now in transitioning into seasons. The inseam on these, if you're shorter and need a shorter inseam, this is real denim with slight stretch, so you can raw cut it just fine. In fact, I was thinking you could even cut these as like a cropped or an ankle length and have just a wider leg pant pant for more spring or summer too. Like a cropped version would be really cute. So if you did want to raw cut them or need to raw cut them, you can totally do that. Or you can also get them hemmed. I'm 5'5" and they hit just perfect on me with a pair of sneakers on. If I was going to do flip-flops, I might raw cut them, but I actually might even totally cut them up a little bit higher for summer. I think they'll be so cute. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like, follow, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.